as it relates to where Admat's source of wealth came from. Right? So then, this is what really transpired when you look on the whole thing. From a legal awarding of contract to Gavin, right, until these money now put into Ponzi schemes. So then, this is very serious enough.
Yeah.
Now, the Prime Minister would have known that these companies, right, are not legitimate companies in terms of holding people, right, and doing real investment.
Right.
And so then the Prime Minister collaborate with these criminals. The Prime Minister and others, Darrell Valls and others, right? This is something that well planned, premeditatedly done.
Yeah.